Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about Atlan, who's currently hiring for software engineering interns from the 2026, 2027 and the 2028 batch. Atlan will be paying you a stipend of 50K for this internship role, and you will also have an opportunity to convert this to a full-time role at Atlan. So if you are interested in this internship role at Atlan, then watch this video till the end to know all about the process. So the eligibility criteria that Atlan has mentioned is pretty simple. You need to be currently pursuing your bachelor's degree in engineering in CSE or any other closely related field, and this degree that you are pursuing should be in India. So this is a very simple eligibility criteria, and the batches that are eligible for this are 2026, 27 and 28 batch. So your internship will be starting in person for the onboarding week, which will be in the week of January 5th, 2026, or it can be before. And the location is Delhi or Bangalore. It will be confirmed closer to the date of your joining. All your stay and travel expenses will be covered by Atlan for the onboarding week, and this internship will be for 6 months. But after the onboarding week gets over, your internship will be fully remote, so you can work from anywhere, and the expenses for the onboarding week will be covered by Atlan, right? And of course, you have an opportunity to convert this internship to a full-time role as well. So the skills that they have mentioned, which are great to have for this role, it's not all required, but one of them you should be knowing. So if you have experience with one or more of Java, Python or Go languages, then you would be a great fit. If you are aware and have some experience working with Kubernetes, Helm, Argo, Temporal or any other cloud native tooling, if you are having knowledge of Apache Iceberg, Data Lake, warehouse architectures, then you would be a great fit for this role. And another great thing that they have mentioned is if you are someone who uses AI tools for their day-to-day development, debugging, coding, or learning new technologies, then you would be a great fit for this role. You need to be enthusiastic in problem solving, in solving the real-world problems of data teams immediately. You need to have excellent teamwork and leadership abilities. All teams and all companies, they want you to have excellent collaboration skills, communication skills. And for this role especially, Atlan will be going through your GitHub profile. So make sure you have an active GitHub profile. You have evidence of your coding abilities through your contributions to public projects, right? And of course, you need to have a keen interest in attention to details, exceptional problem solving and analytical skills, which they will be testing in their hiring rounds. So moving forward to the hiring process that Atlan generally follows, candidates must apply through the careers page for this role, and the applications must be submitted before the 24th of August 2025. So after your applications will get submitted, their team will be assessing your application to judge whether your skills are aligning with their requirements, and the shortlisted candidates will be appearing for a test. So based on your test performance, you will be receiving a take-home task which will be evaluating your problem-solving skills and creativity. So again, based on your performance in the take-home task, you will be shortlisted for the interview, which will be an interview to explore how you fit in their culture and their requirements. So this interview will be the last round of their hiring process, and if you clear this, you will be receiving their offer letter, and once you accept, your joining date will be 5th of January 2026. Keep the first week free because this will be an in-person onboarding, and that is what they have again reiterated in their eligibility, that if you are free and available in person for their first week, then only you should apply for this role. So these are the rounds, and this is the entire process for hiring at Atlan, and they are currently hiring for the 2026, 7 and 28 batch. So go ahead and apply before the link expires. I have attached the application link in the description to this video. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I usually post about hiring, open roles, open job postings for college students, and I do post very often. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.